This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can check the data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter Network and Internet category. From here, if you would like to see your Wi-Fi usage, open the Wi-Fi page and then the Wi-Fi data usage section. If you are interested in accessing the cellular or mobile data usage, get back to the Network and Internet page, enter the Mobile Network section, and then if you'll have at least 1 byte of mobile data used, you will have the App Data Usage section active, and upon tapping and entering it, well, you'll be able to find your cellular or mobile data usage as well. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.